So I was driving down the road. It's pretty much to a dead stop here on the road. Going about 3 miles an hour. And it was a bright, bright sunny day. Is nothing but blue sky. It was great. And then all of a sudden the rain came in. What happened? I realized I ran out of Snapple. That's when the rain came in. Days are much brighter with Snapple. So much brighter. Update. The sun came out for about a second. A little bit of sunlight. And then the rain's back. Well, I thought that's what had happened, but then I realized that I had just gotten one extra drop. The last drop of the bottle. So, Snapple. Made from the best apple on earth. Hello. Even sunlight comes from Snapple.